That's Chris. I'm Devin. And this is our Mech 423 project. This is a C# interface. It calculates the solution of the cube and it controls the robot by serial communication. The C# interface delegates its commands to the Arduino and MSP430. There is a camera above to capture the state of the cube during inspection. The cube tray is controlled by a stepper motor taking commands from the MSP430. There are two servos. One servo opens and closes the gripper. The other raises and lowers the gripper. They are both controlled by an Arduino.